For a 400 square meters villa with a basement, multiple floors, stairs, and tight turns. How long does one site measurement take? On site, a 3-person design team used tape measures, laser measures, and a 360 camera. The measurement took about 3 hours. Afterward, they still had to recheck dimensions and confirm spatial relationships again and again. With the SHARE SLAM S20 renovation scanner, we walked and scanned the site in about 20 minutes. Walls, doors, windows, ceiling heights, and the basement structure were all captured as site data. On the phone, the point cloud appeared in real time. This made it easier to check whether the space was fully covered, and whether any areas had been missed. Later, the processed point cloud model can be used to review dimensions, instead of relying only on field notes and photos. With the new CAD drafting feature in SHARE PointClouds Studio, it extracts spatial structure information, and helps generate CAD draft plans and section drawings. The exported DWG file includes a point cloud underlay, so designers can review and refine it in AutoCAD, while keeping their existing CAD drafting workflow. From site scanning to a CAD draft, unfinished villa measurement becomes more efficient, and connects directly to the drafting stage.